In this section of the Beacon Hill Dollhouse construction, I'm going to go over section W, French door. First, the pieces of the French door are removed and prepared. I primed, then painted with semi-gloss white paint. The window panes were treated with clear gallery glass to make the diamond portions of the windows appear as bevel glass. This is the same treatment as all the other windows in the house. The plastic window panes are sandwiched between the sashes of the side panel and the door. Some slight sanding and paint touch-up was done to even up the edges. The side panels are first installed in the house and allowed to dry. The layers of the French door trim are then pre-assembled. I had to keep tweaking the pieces to provide an even reveal. The front trim was then installed on the house. I waited until the siding was complete to install the additional curved trim with the point. The interior trim door opening is sized to be more narrow than the door itself. This suggests that the door is intended to open outwards. However, I decided to have the door open inwards, and this required me to cut down the interior trim to allow clearance for the door. I was able to use a utility knife to do most of the work, then use sandpaper to clean the edges and create a smooth transition to the interior curve. The hinges were attached to the door with superglue, then the other side of the hinge was glued to the side panel. When installing the door, I placed a thin piece of plastic under the door to provide some clearance when the door opens. I waited until the wallpaper and border were complete before installing the interior trim. The final touch was to attach a doorknob. Thanks for watching.